So, Mr. Sivan, circles. Let us look at this question. Okay. So, in the given figure, AOC is the diameter. AOC is the diameter. So this is the center. AC is parallel to ED. AC is parallel to ED. CB is 64 degree. So CBE. This angle is 64 degree. Calculate DEC. DEC is this angle. Mr. CB, how should I do this?
So in this question, we can join chord AE.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah. What next?
Angle AEC will be 90 degree because it's opposite to the diameter.
Okay, so what you are saying is that in a circle, the diameter will form 90 degree on the circumference of the circle. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, this is a 90 degree. What next?
So angle EAC will be 64 degree.
Angle?
EAC will be 64 degree.
This angle will be 64 degree. Why?
So because EC is the same chord and it is the same base for triangle AEC and ABC.
So what you are saying is that if we take this as a chord, then this would be 64 degree and this would be 64 degree. Am I correct?
Yes.
So basically the chord will form same angles anywhere at 2 points on the, or 3 points or 4 points on the circumference of the circle. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. What next?
So then we have got two angles. Therefore, the third angle will be 26 degree.
Okay. So this angle will be 26 degree. Okay. What next?
So then, because AC and ED are two parallel lines, therefore angle ACE will be equal to CED.
So these are two parallel lines. This is a transversal. Therefore, this angle would be equal to this. And therefore, this angle would be equal to 26 degree. Do we agree to this?
Yes.
The same question, Mr. CB, is being shown clearly in this figure. The question is the same. We started with this 64 degree. Am I correct?
Yes.
We took this as a chord. This was 64 degree. This was 64 degree. Then we said that this is a diameter. Therefore, this angle is 90 degree. And then we calculated this. And then we said that this line and these two lines are parallel and this is a transversal. Therefore, this angle would be equal to this angle. So both of the angles are 26 degree. Am I correct, Mr. CB?
Yes.
Great, sir.